Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Eat, Pray, Love, Travel, and I am here to discuss with you yung mga travel requirements papunta ng Korea or South Korea. So, we are here in Korea right now and we are going to spend Christmas and New Year here. So, ang balik natin ay January na. So, good luck kung makalabas tayo dahil sobrang lamig. We are parang 4 days na here or pang 5th day na namin pero sobrang lamig and we already went to some places pero ang hirap talagang mag-cover, kumbaga mag-layering, sobrang hirap kasi syempre hindi naman tayo sanay. But anyways, here are the travel requirements for your trip to Korea, most especially ngayon na mag-holiday season, yung mga may plans na pumunta at yung mga pupunta talaga. Of course, yung passport ninyo, and then yung visa, which is yung paper type na visa. As usual, based dun sa last update ko nung nag-Korea kami last May, na yung aming visa is yung sticker pass. So ngayon, ang ginawa namin, nagpunta kami sa travel agency namin, which is Rally Tour sa Mega Mall. And then, nagpa-print kami ng paper type na visa. So, ito nga siya. Pero still, chinek pa din naman dun sa check-in area. So, pero at least meron na kami paper type kasi sinabi naman nila na ang requirement is paper type. Of course, sa immigration, wala na masyadong hinanap. Tinanong lang kung how long and vacation for family, parang ganun. Medyo maluwag sa immigration ngayon, sobrang bilis lang. And maluwag din yung mga counters. Like for example, kung magda-drop kayo ng bags ninyo or kung wala naman kayong bag drop, parang sobrang bilis mag-open ng mga, sobrang aga mag-open ng mga counters ngayon. Dati kasi mga at least 2 hours lang or 3. Ngayon parang ang aga-aga open na. Ang flight namin is 3 a.m. pero open na siya ng 9 p.m. Parang ganun. As in like pagdating namin, di namin ina-expect na mag-open na yung counter. Pero pagdating namin ng airport, Terminal 3, so bukas, open na yung counter so you can check in na and pwede mo na iwan yung gamit mo. And then, tapos yun nga, mabilis lang din sa immigration. Siguro dahil na-expect nila na holiday season ngayon talagang maraming dadagsa na mga lilipad ng out of the country or kahit sa domestic. So ayun, sobrang bilis lang. And then, dun sa, once na on board na kayo, may ibibigay yung flight attendant na parang paper from Korea naman ito. So, fill up ninyo, it's yellow paper, yung parang customs declaration. Yellow paper is for the health declaration and then customs paper kung meron kayo i-declare and yung arrival card. Okay, kung meron na kayo nagawang QR code, of course, yun na yung gawin ninyo. Pero the easiest way is yung may arrival card na fill upan. I mean like yung paper type para habang nasa airplano kayo, fill upan nyo na lang din para at least tapos na. So, sobrang smooth din. Pagdating mo sa Korea, Incheon Airport, bibigay mo lang yung yellow paper and then punta ka na sa immigration and then claim your baggage. Sobrang dali. As in like, sobrang easy ngayon ng biyahe. Siguro talagang inayos nila and pin-repair nila sa airport. Sobrang bilis din. So, yun lang naman ang travel requirements. And of course, don't forget to do web check-in. Kami, medyo na-confuse kami sa web check-in. Hindi kami nakapag-web check-in kaya medyo inagahan namin ng 9 p.m. Pero sobrang dali lang. So, ayun. Passport, visa, of course, your travel tax, syempre kailangan mo bayaran yan. It's 1,620. Pwede yan online, pwede rin on-site. And then yung iyong i-check in mga bagahe. And then pagdating sa Korea, yung ano tawag dito, yung mga declaration, health declaration card, form, health declaration form, arrival card, and customs form. Ayun. And of course, pinaka-importante pag lagi tayo nagbabiyahe mo, especially itong season na to at mahaba-haba ang inyong biyahe, is to get a travel insurance. So as we got our travel insurance at AXA, it's just 7,000 pesos pero 21 days na yun since we'll be staying 21 days here in Korea. So at least wala kang iniintindi kung mawala yung bagahe mo, kung madali yung flight mo or whatever aberya yan, wala kang iniintindi na gagastos ng additional kasi insured ka. So, nakakakampante ng loob. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and I hope na makatulong itong video na to sa mga pupunta ng Korea. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel And of course, hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you guys, and please abangan nyo yung mga videos namin. Sobrang daming videos na ilalabas namin for winter in Korea. Okay, bye!